Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to draw the glitch effect drawing, and for the outline I'm using the Batman. You can use any picture you like. I'm using Batman because recently we saw the Snyder Cut trailer and I got super excited. And to draw the glitch effect you have to draw the same outline 3 times. One a bit to the left or to the right, top, bottom, anywhere. But all three should be different, and for getting the same outline we have to trace it, and a simple method for tracing is the carbon paper. And if you don't have a carbon paper, first shade the backside of the outline with a pencil. After shading the backside of the paper, we are going to take another paper and trace this outline on that. For that, take this first outline and keep it on top of the second paper and start drawing on top of it on the outline. You have to draw it 3 times and not on the same. We have to just change it a bit to the right, top, bottom, anywhere you like. To get the glitch effect, we have to mix the primary colors red, green and blue. And when they mix, we get cyan or light blue, yellow and magenta. And when all these colors mix, we get white. But since we are drawing on a white paper, we are going to invert it. So cyan, yellow and magenta. And when these colors mix, we get the primary colors. And when all these mix, we get black. Yes, my outline is ready and it looks really confusing. Now on top of this outline we are going to draw with cyan, yellow and magenta. So be careful while doing this because it can get really confusing. Now slowly, with lots of patience, on top of this outline draw with cyan, yellow and magenta. Take time and don't be fast. Slow and steady wins the race, just remember that. Now I have finished yellow and now I'm going to do magenta. Take your time and do it really slow, or else it's going to be very confusing to you. Yeah, one thing that I totally forgot to tell you guys is that if you haven't subscribed, just pause the video, go down, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a video. Hope you're done with that. And one more thing, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Now that I have finished magenta, next I'm going to do cyan or light blue. And now I have finished that too. Now with the light yellow color, between the yellow and the magenta, between those two lines, draw yellow. So what color do we get upon mixing magenta and yellow? If you don't remember, go back to the color wheel part and watch it again. We are going to get red, and between the magenta and cyan lines we are going to color red. This is because there is a yellow part and a magenta part but no blue part. So we are going to color there red. And on the leftmost side yellow since no color is mixing there, and on the rightmost part cyan or light blue where there is no other color mixing. So what color do we get upon mixing cyan and pink or magenta? We are going to get normal shade of blue. So we are going to color that between these lines of light yellow and magenta. So one important thing about the glitch effect drawing is you have to always remember the color wheel. Wherever there is cyan and yellow mixing we have to color green, and where all these three colors are mixing we have to color black. So the inside part of my drawing is mostly black. Not mostly, it's fully black. So excluding the Batman logo and the Batman size, I have to color the rest everything as black. Yeah, I'm nearly done, just the logo to go. I hope you guys to have reached till here. So we have just finished, and with the logo I'm totally done. So the logo is, since it is small, it got me a bit confused. But if we take time and do it slowly, it's going to be really easy for anyone.